girl? No, I ain't busy. I'm just at work. Mr. Taylor getting on my nerves as usual. Hold on, girl. Girl, let me call you back. Mr. Taylor, I'm gonna need to take a half a sick day.